The moment something feels off in your body, you don't sit with it. You reach for something to stop it. A headache isn't just a headache. A skin irritation isn't just there. It immediately becomes something to fix fast. You don't ask what changed. You ask what to take. The discomfort shows up and your attention doesn't go into it. It goes straight to getting rid of it. You open your phone. Search symptoms. Look for the fastest way to make it stop. Because staying with it feels worse than solving it, even if solving it doesn't last. So the body becomes something you manage, not something you listen to. And without noticing, every signal turns into a problem to eliminate, before it even has space to be understood. There's a part of you trying to make the symptom disappear, and another part of you still creating the conditions for it. You apply something to the skin, but stay in the same tension. You take something to sleep, but your mind doesn't slow down. You push the body to calm, while everything around you keeps it activated. And these two movements don't meet. One tries to silence the signal. The other keeps generating it. Not intentionally, but in how you move through your day. What you hold in, what you avoid, what you don't allow yourself to feel or say. So the body responds, and you respond back by trying to stop it. And the loop holds, not because nothing is working, but because both sides are still active at the same time. It starts to repeat in ways that feel familiar. The same skin flare coming back. The same nights where you can't fully rest. The same exhaustion that doesn't match what you did. You treat it. It eases. And then, without warning, it returns. So you adjust the treatment. Change something. Try again. But the pattern doesn't move. Because what changed was the surface, not the context that keeps producing it. The pressure you stay in, the things you don't interrupt, the way you keep adapting instead of shifting anything. So even moments that should feel neutral carry weight. And over time, you stop expecting resolution. You start expecting management, not a body that settles, but one you have to keep handling. You don't slow down to understand what's happening. You move to keep functioning. Everything around you follows that logic. You feel something. You treat it. You lose energy. You boost it. You can't sleep. You induce it. There's always something to take, something to adjust, something to continue. So nothing needs to stop. Nothing needs to be interrupted. And you learn to deal with yourself the same way, not by changing what creates the tension, but by making sure you can keep going despite it. So the symptom becomes something you manage, not something that shifts. And if it keeps coming back, and you have to keep managing it again and again, what are you avoiding changing in your life that would actually stop it from needing to come back?